Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make Avengers blind bags. It is a super fun and creative project that brings excitement to any fan. First, we will gather all our essential crafting supplies. You will need items like paper, glue, and scissors, along with small Avengers-themed toys or candies to put inside. Make sure everything is ready before we begin our creative journey. Now that we have our materials, let us start designing the blind bag itself. Begin by cutting your paper to a size that will comfortably hold your chosen surprise items. Next, carefully fold and secure the edges to create a strong, reliable pouch. Then, unleash your creativity by decorating the bag with iconic Avengers logos or your favorite character images, using markers or fun stickers. With your beautifully decorated bags ready, it is time for the most exciting part, filling them with surprises. Carefully place 1 or 2 small Avengers-themed items into each bag, making sure the contents are completely hidden. Then, seal the bag securely using glue or tape to prevent any peeking. You could even add a tiny, folded note with a fun fact about an Avenger for an extra touch of mystery. Finally, it is time to present your amazing Avengers blind bags. Arrange them in an exciting way, perhaps in a basket or spread out on a table. Invite your friends or family to pick a mystery bag and experience the thrill of the unknown. Watching their faces light up as they discover their special Avengers surprise is truly rewarding. Enjoy the fun and share your crafting skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.